the strongest typhoons to impact Macau in the past 50 years, Typhoon Hato caused significant damage along its path. I'm John Weber for AM Best TV. I'm speaking today to Christie Lee, Director of Analytics at AM Best, to talk about the impact of Hato last year on Macau's insurance sector and non-life companies' overall resilience to the losses. Now, Christie, as I mentioned, Typhoon Hato caused significant losses to Macau last year. How well has the industry coped with these losses?
According to the regulator statistics as of the third quarter, the engineering gross loss ratio reached over 1,000% and property gross loss ratio reached 300%. But on net basis, AM Best believes that non-life insurance companies will be able to sustain the losses, because a lot of these losses are coming from large commercial risks where the insurance companies are playing a fronting role. So ultimately, these losses are being ceded to international reinsurance market. So AM Best believe this is just an earning event and not a capital event to the market. And because of strong earning capabilities in the Macau non-life insurance market, we expect the insurance companies will be able to recover the losses in a couple of years.
What are the market conditions that drove these results?
Macau is a very small city with over 1 million population. It's also a very rich city because of its Asian casino hub position. And we think that in the insurance market, but the backdrop is that insurance company has solid balance sheet strength and strong operating performance. It is attributed to the simple but conservative regulatory and requirement in the market, where the solvency margin is calculated based on gross premium. But as you can imagine, a lot of the insurance companies are playing a fronting role on commercial business, such as like the casino risk. So the overall net retention is relatively low comparing to other market. And because of such a high capital requirement environment, the insurance companies really focus on delivering the bottom line and meeting the expectations from the shareholders' return. This event also highlight a characteristic of the Macau insurance market, where the personal line penetration rate actually is very low. For motor insurance, over 90% of the risks or the policies third-party liabilities only. And for homeowners, the mortgage only require to buy fire-only perils, and therefore, like in this event, a lot of the water damage and flooding are not covered by insurance.
Christie, could an event like this bring about any change there?
We expect this event will increase individuals' insurance awareness. From the news reported, you can see high-rises residentials, windows are broken by strong wind, and cars are being flooded in underground parking. But I think individuals from this event, they learned that a lot of these losses, which could be covered by insurance, were not covered. And so even before this event, the insurance industry wants to grow more and diversify more, from used to heavily relying on commercial risk business to growing the personal line business. We expect this event could actually be a catalyst for speeding up the growth on personal line.
Christie Lee, Director of Analytics for AM Best. For AM Best TV, I'm John Weber.